Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel Mobile Engineer. Today I am telling about the copy of Zynn app in which you can earn money in Pakistan. Copy of Zynn app is launched in Pakistan in just few months before. In this video, first of all, I am request you that you subscribe my channel and and press bell icon for more videos. So start my topic. First of all, I'm telling you which app you can download and earn money. The app name is I what see you. App name is watch videos, it daily and earn money win reward. This app is download in my mobile and I earn this money in this app by using this app. So first of all, you can log in this app and then start option is shown in the video. Different kind of ads are shown. You can cross it. You can earn money by watch other videos. This is the copy of Zynn app, and you can just like Zynn app, which you can watch videos and earn money. Same like that, you can watch videos and earn money. You can see here that in different option you can watch videos and earn money. Same like scratch card option in which you can click and lucky spin, and you can spin and can earn money by using this video. You can see spin and you say that you won 4 points. So in that way, my total points is 89, and you can same like that. You can use this app and earn money. And another option, I will show you another option. You can really earn offer different kind of ads are shown, and you can also earn by invite other people, just like that. My referral code, I refer to other person, and if my referral code is used for downloading, then I this app give me a 500 points. Same like that, you can install these kind of apps and you can earn money. These all apps are similar to this app, and you can download and install it, and then you can earn money. And also you can withdraw money by using different payment technique. One of the technique I will show you in this app is that you can earn money, withdraw money by clicking on this point, and you see here that withdraw option is shown. You can got you in this bank net app, you can see PayPal option, Paytm option. So if you are not using PayPal and Paytm, then how to withdraw money? I will show you the group in the Facebook. This is the group Trusted Pakistani Fan group. In this group, you can, if you are in Pakistan or India, you can withdraw money by PayPal. You can show the screenshot of the app and show the point, and post in this group. So anybody that are present in this group are withdraw your money by the PayPal, and so you can deal it in this group and withdraw money by PayPal. Hope you enjoy my video. Goodbye.